In this video, I will show you how to export bookmarks from Chrome so you can save your Google Chrome bookmarks as a file, back them up or move them to another browser or computer. And if this video does help today, then make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more easy Chrome and tech tutorials. To do this, what you want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser, and once you've done that, you want to come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots to open this menu, and then come and hover over the bookmarks and lists option. Once you do this, you're going to see a sub menu come up. And from here, you want to click to open your Bookmarks Manager. You can also hold down Ctrl Shift and O, which is the keyboard shortcut, to also open your Bookmarks Manager. Now, from here, you're going to find all your saved bookmarks, and to export these, all you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots just up here, and on this menu that comes up, you can see there is an option to export bookmarks. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open up your computer's file explorer. You can then choose where you want to save this on your computer or laptop, so I'm going to save it to my desktop, and you can also name the file as well. So by default it's just going to add the date, but you can change this to something if you want to, which is going to make it easier to reference. So I'm just going to call it test bookmarks. All you want to do is click on to save, and that's going to export your Chrome bookmarks. So coming back to my desktop, you can see that the HTML file is now here, and we can now easily import this into other browsers or just keep it saved on our computer as a reference. So that is how to export bookmarks from Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.